She holds the fool's gold, and her face is to the wind. And she holds the fool's gold. Yeah, it's easy to pretend. He's cold and he's sold. Life gets in the way. Oh, and he knows what's below. And it's a long fall back to land. Whoa. So it was written, yeah, and so it's gonna be in the end. And so it was written, yeah, a fool is better left to pretend. And it's the finest line in this grand design, but you're gonna have to walk it on your own. And so it was written, yeah, and so it's gonna be in the end. So it was written, yeah, a fool is better left to pretend. And it's the finest line in this grand design, but you're gonna have to walk it on your own. And it's the finest line in this grand design, but you're gonna have to walk it on your own. Jaws all drop at the candy shop when we walk in the store. It's a frightening display. Mothers hide their children's eyes and hurry towards the door. I don't even want to know the things that they will say, but they can't take our love away. No, they can't take our love away. Try to eat on Crawford Street on a summer afternoon, but we're just met with cold dismay. The owner storms our table and he takes away my spoon and says we're not some kind of new cafe where freaks like you are on display. But he can't take our love away. No, he can't take our love away. Whoever said that love is blind, he didn't understand mankind. What it really meant to say is that love can't see shades of gray.